Hello friends, today I show you that how to make a homemade pichkari on the occasion of this festival Holi. So for making this homemade pichkari, we need only 4 things. The 3 to 6 volt battery, one water pump, one on off switch and a pipe for water traveling. So let's start. First of all, we need to take this water motor in which we need to give the 3 to 5 volt power, and here we can see that one hole is for input of water and second hole is for output of water. So now let's fit this on a specified base. Then take the battery. This is the homemade battery which I make from the 2 lithium battery cells. After combining 2 3.5 volt lithium battery cell, we can make the 6 volt battery power supply. Hence, we need to use this one toggle switch on off. So I make the negative common and put this switch in between these two wires. Now fit this cell and this switch with the help of double tape. Now we can see that when we push this button, then our motor turns on. Now let's fit the input and output pipe in these holes. Now our simple homemade pichkari is ready. Friends, if you face some problem in the wiring, then you can see the circuit diagram that is shown on this screen video. Now we can see that this pipe is in water. This means that this hole is the input hole and this one is the output. Let's see. You can see the water is coming well. So friends, as you can see that this is the battery and this is the switch and this is the motor. The motor input is given to the water tank here, and output is put it in this small hole so that our pressure become more. This is the output pipe. Here I use the RO purifier pipe and make a small hole at this end. So now let's check it. So now let's see that how we can fill the balloon from this project. Now this is the balloon and let's fill it with this motor pump output. Now our balloon is being filled without any water tap. So this is very useful for the small children who didn't fill their balloon from the tap. So friends, by this project you can also fill the balloon from the color water, which means that from the water tap you cannot fill the color water because in our tank there is a simple water filled it, but from this project you can fill the color water in this tub and easily fill your balloon with color water. Friends, if you like this video then subscribe my channel and share this video also. Happy Holi.